at Target, and I thought I'd go ahead and just browse through the guys' stuff. So let's take a quick look, guys. So what I'm noticing here is something called Lumberyard Sea Salt Spray. That's for the beard, $12.99. And here's the beard wash and the beard softener. That's pretty neat. Then here you have the Maestro's beard wash and beard oil, coconut water oshered, and then the beard finish. That's $16.99 right there. Then you have these products over here, all having to do with the beard. So here's the recovery conditioner, here's the oil, and here's the butter. And those range from $12.99, $19.99, $12.99. So if we come down here, this is Scotch Porter. All this stuff has to do with beard and grooming. The shaving cream, let's see. So we have this Cremo original shaving cream, and here's the antiperspirant over here, $7.99. And here is the shaving gel and the peel off mask, and here's the styling cream. So guys, if we come over here, Aos, this is body wash. Then they also have deodorant, fresh scent face lotion, skin lotion, and body wipes. That's pretty nice. Then they have this brand here, Oars and Alps. I hope I'm saying that right. This $14.99. This artificial solid face wash is $20. The eye stick is $21, and then the face wash is $10.99. And this one over here is called Hems. That's for hair regrowth and moisturizer and serum. It has vitamin C, $19.99. This is really nice. It's like almost like a trinket tray in leather. That's very nice. And here's the carrying case for your shaving and traveling stuff. And here is macaroon mint and cedar. It's called Goodfellow. That seems really nice. Sea kelp and mineral. This is nice. This is all natural ingredients and essential oils. So these products are not very expensive, so they're very affordable. And then here's the body wash, the body shampoo, and the conditioner is over here. So then guys, we get into the deodorant. So I'm just going to scan through this area. So you have the Tom's products right here. Then you have the Native and the Aos.
Well, why is she saying that?
And
to me?
here's the Dove Men Care
So do we have
oil and the body wash oil. Let's see. This is Sea Scalp over here. And the Rogaine Hair products. Okay, your Braun. That's pretty neat that they have all of this stuff displayed here. So you have all of your shaving products right here with your shaving creams. The Aveeno one is very good. It's $3.99. That's not bad. And here's the Pure Gillette, $5.99. Here's your shaving stuff. Okay. And this product over here called Harry's shampoo and conditioner. And here's the scalping gel. Guys, that looks really nice. Then you have your towels over here. I'm really liking their setup. So this whole area here is all Harry's. So you have your blades here. They're $9.99, $8.99. Like I said, that's not really unreasonable. So then you have your scalping gel and your shaving stuff, your body wash, and your travel bag. Then over here you have, what is that, Duke Cannon, $12.99, $9.99, their products. This is Coal Miner's Oil Control Cleanser, the Sea Salt Spray. And then you have these products down here. This says beard. And I think Glory, the brushes. Okay. So guys, thank you for coming with me to Target. And we just took a stroll over the men's stuff. So I will see you guys in another video.